Guys, I'm back today in the shop. It's Monday. We're gonna have a glorious day today. I've got the front pretty well done. All I need to do is bleed brakes and clearly adjust some coilovers. I need to get a little bit of height. That is sitting on two 2x4 pieces of wood. So I got 4 inches of lift right now and I'm low. But that's gonna be something we do after. I wanna get the ride height set, so I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling the bed off. I'm gonna start with the filler neck and then get the bed bolts loose, get the bumper off. And then we'll go ahead and pull the bed so I can do the notch, the coilovers, wishbone 3-link, and we'll get it all going. All right, so you guys, I prepped the frame for the Reklez notch. Got it all set in there. I trimmed just a little bit down on the front right there and back here, just to get it to sit a little tighter than it was. That should have no effect. I'm gonna do the same for the other side. But right now I'm gonna go ahead and tack these in and then get ready to cut out my inner factory frame rail. And then should be good to burn it all in. Once I get it all burned in, then I'll cut this outer frame rail, obviously. That's the smarter way to go about it. And then we'll work on the passenger side. All right, got the driver's side half welded. I just wanted to go ahead and take a second and admire those sweet beads. Yeah, not too shabby. Still got to go across the top right here, top over here, weld up this gap, and then I'll go ahead and burn in on this side and up over here as well. So, as usual, I forgot to hit time lapse while I was welding. I've got the inner part of the bag or the step notch welded up. Got the inside as well. So we're all good on the driver's side. I'm gonna go ahead and hit that last weld on the left side over there. Grind up the factory frame rail, make sure we're all smooth and flush. You can tell it's a little bit past the notch, and this one as well. So I'll go ahead and grind those up, get it cleaned up, and then we'll put the brackets in there.